Hello Divine Souls, welcome to Showers Healing, Showers of Divinity, where the divinity in me recognizes and greets the divinity in you. Today, we embark on a transformative journey, a guided crystal meditation session using the mighty black tourmaline, renowned for its grounding and protective properties. Before we begin, this session requires black tourmaline. If you don't have the physical stone, don't worry. Simply write black tourmaline on a piece of paper and keep it near you. The intention is what matters the most. Firstly, find a tranquil, comfortable space. This place should be where you can feel at peace, undisturbed by external chaos. Make sure it's clean and clutter-free. Next, cleanse your black tourmaline. Run it under cold water or smudge it, or any other way you prefer. Hold it close, breathe deeply, close your eyes if you are comfortable in doing so, and set your intentions for this meditation. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down, and you can use a cushion or blanket for extra comfort. Hold your black tourmaline in your left hand or place it near your body, anywhere you feel comfortable. Close your eyes if you are comfortable in doing so. Bring your awareness on your breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let your breath become slow, calm, and steady. Now, connect with your black tourmaline. Feel its energy. Visualize a strong protective shield around you, deflecting and blocking any negative energy. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine your negative thoughts, emotions, and experiences leaving your body with each exhale, being absorbed by black tourmaline and transmuted into positive, healing energy. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Envision roots extending from your spine or soles, reaching deep into the earth, absorbing the stabilizing energy and channeling it into your body, replenishing your strength and resilience. Stay in this meditative state for as long as you need. Let the crystal weave its magic. Let it help you release negativity and embrace the protective energy. When you feel ready, gently return to the present moment. Connect with your breath. Feel your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Finally, express gratitude towards the black tourmaline for its protective and grounding energies. Cleanse it again and keep it safely for your future sessions. Remember, meditation is a deeply personal practice, and it may take time to see noticeable results. So, be patient with yourself, keep practicing regularly, and nurture your connection with the healing energies of black tourmaline. If you found this session helpful, I urge you to like this video, share it with those who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Showers Healing, for more such guided meditations and mindful content. And hit that bell icon so that you never miss our updates. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and remember, divinity in me greets divinity in you.